Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
Let's go check it out. Such a beautiful day in the Caribbean. What's up, Food Fun Finance? You already know how we get down. Drink before we eat. Most of my videos, you're gonna see the chickens in the background. They're ready for the food just like me. You see this goodness? So I'ma just jump in. We are at Flavors of the Caribbean. Plantain. So it came with a side of beans too. Drop that in there. This is good, man, like for real. So I have boneless chicken, curry, roti, boneless conch, and I should have a boneless shrimp too. Shrimp don't have bones. So, conch roti. If you don't know what a roti is, look it up. You got to know what a roti is. If you're watching this channel, you probably done seen me eat. But it's a conch one. You can only get these in the island most of the time. See all the potatoes? Oh, it's a little spicy. But the conch is good. Caribbean breeze ain't no joke around him. Shrimp. I'm full already. And the boneless chicken. So I really packed up lots of rotis. So it was boneless, but it still had the bristle. But it's still good though. I'm gonna focus on this. Most definitely flavorful. It's different. Like, I could tell it's not exactly Trinidad, but it's in the islands in the area. Food Fun Finance. We have made it to the end of our journey. No, not the end of the journey, but the end of this food. So I had, wait. So this is the review time. Are you ready? Review time. Environment, customer service, food, and pricing. I spent a whole lot of money, so we might have to eliminate pricing. Nah, but I had a lot of people with me, so. Okay, so environment. This is a real good environment. Like, unless you're not rooster friendly, this ain't for you. Because you out here with the elements, you out here with the animals. You might see the occasional rooster come through and things of the sort. But outside of that, it's a good environment. Breeze blowing through. Sun not shining too much. You got some shade. It's a good environment. Outside of that, we got the customer service. Customer service is A1. She was giving me a lot of information. She was showing me a lot of love. The lady at the counter, the lady that was cooking behind the counter, it was real awesome. So outside of that, the food was awesome. I give the food about 4 stars out of 5. So on the environment, I give the environment 5 stars out of 5. And the customer service, I give 5 stars. The food, I give 4 stars. You know, I had the roti, boneless chicken roti, conch roti, shrimp roti, and boneless conch shrimp, boneless chicken, and then I had a plate of curry chicken. So the rice and the beans was really, really good. I'm really big on rice and beans, so that was good. The conch roti was spicy, but it was still good. My number one favorite one was the shrimp. That was real good. I really love shrimp, period. So that was real good. And the chicken was good too. But my number one was chicken. Then, no, my number one was the shrimp, then the chicken, then the conch, then the plate. Really, the plate was number 2. So the curry chicken plate was number 2. So the food was a 4.0, 4 stars. Let's go. Last is the price. So for all of that, I had 2 shrimp, I had 2 conch, and 2 boneless chicken rotis and a plate. Now it's about $100, which is pretty reasonable. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, that's real reasonable. So to me, overall, the experience was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. So if you are in the St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands, you need to come visit this place. Flavors of the Caribbean. You most definitely need to come check it out right before you hit Sunny Isles, coming down the Hess Road. I guess that's what people call it. I don't think it's a particular road that you could call it, but even if you're coming from Sunny Isles, it's the road that's headed towards Hess. Most definitely. We'll leave all the information at the bottom, the address, all that good stuff. So when you do visit St. Croix USVI, you'll be able to find exactly where it's at, because your GPS does work here. And I've used my GPS, so keep that in mind. Until next time, we're gonna bring you some more good food. We ain't done yet. We have plenty of places to check out, so stay tuned. Let's go.